Hello, welcome to the Vintage and Classic Metalwork channel. On this video, we're going to show you this one-off set that we've put together and made it our own. We've spent a huge amount of hours in doing this, making it a one-off, unique set, and we're really proud of it. And what we'd like to do is offer it to our viewers, and if one lucky person wants to purchase it, then we're happy to send it out to them. Like I said, we put a huge amount of effort into this, and what we're hoping to do is just raise some funds for the channel so we can put it back into the channel and hopefully get some like better audio equipment, maybe a better camera, or put it towards that at least, you know, so it improves the quality of the channel, because we always want to move forward and we just feel like that we are lacking that quality at the moment. So I'm going to show you around the hammer set and what we've done to give you a better idea of what we're offering. Okay, so this is the set that we have. We have made an addition to the set. We got rid of the shrinking hammer, and we've got this lovely curved face hammer there. We've obviously polished all the faces up there, painted all the heads a nice British racing green, and we stripped all the handles and stained them in the dark oak to replicate like the snap-on hammers, as we think that's a really nice finish. We've mirror finished all the dollies. Get a closer look at them so you can see them. All the faces have been polished up and they look stunning. Again, we've done that with all the hammers. And to tell you a bit about this set, so we've looked at many sets to try and like create our own and put our own stamp on, and this one we came to the conclusion was the best out there. This retails at £200 just for the set standard, so we probably put, I don't know, 8 to 9 hours of work in, stripping the handles, staining them, stripping all the heads, getting them painted and polished. So many hours in just polishing alone, and as you can see, it's a really nice finish, and hopefully one lucky person takes a fancy to this and would like it and add it to their collection. So what we like about this set is, with the hammer choices you have, you've got a wide selection, so it should help you on your job in many situations. Again, the hickory handle is a really nice finish to it, very similar to the snap-on ones. That's why we really like them, as we really rate the snap-on ones, and this is a very similar set to it at least half the price. Okay, so there we have it, the full set. It comes in the nice plastic protective case with the foam insert. So if you do like it, send us a message, and we'll be happy to get this sent out to you. We do have only this one set made. We have bought another set, but whether we go to the extent of doing this again, we'll see what sort of interest this gauges, but we have got another set on standby if there is more demand for this. But like I said, if you want to send us a message and you'd like to be the owner of this and help out the channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. So thanks very much, and see you in the next video.